I struggled with multiple sclerosis for many years until I discovered the incredible healing power of a holistic lifestyle. Now symptom-free for over 17 years, I am absolutely passionate about sharing the knowledge and holistic therapies that have transformed my life. Greetings and a warm welcome to Holistic Health Solutions. I'm Jonathan Slack, your guide to achieving optimal health naturally. My approach uses scientifically proven healing foods, stress-relieving practices, herbal remedies, lifestyle changes, and more to bring the body gently back into balance. I provide totally accessible, beginner-friendly tips and tools based on extensive research studies and real-life experience. While I don't claim to provide medical advice, my ultimate goal is to empower you with life-changing wisdom so you can make fully informed decisions about your health. I strongly recommend discussing any lifestyle changes with your doctor first. In this completely judgment-free zone, you'll discover techniques for adopting an anti-inflammatory, whole food-based diet to reduce oxidative stress and facilitate healing, using food and evidence-based supplements as medicine to correct nutritional deficiencies underlying disease, managing daily stress and anxiety with yoga, meditation, breathwork, journaling, and other mind-body therapies, safely using therapeutic-grade essential oils and custom blends to support immunity, sleep, mood, and more, improving gut health through fermented foods, targeted supplements to optimize digestion, supporting healthy immune function with herbs, mushrooms, and lifestyle habits so you stay well year-round, getting deeper, more restorative sleep with aromatherapy, stress management, and circadian rhythm alignment. We'll also explore lesser-known holistic therapies like acupuncture, homeopathy, photobiomodulation, hydrotherapy, and nature immersion for lowered inflammation and boosted energy. Small, positive changes really do compound dramatically over time. Every little healthy choice chips away at illness and moves you towards healing. I warmly invite you into this caring community where we lift each other up and learn how to thoroughly care for our whole selves, body, mind, and spirit. Click the link in the description box for my free ebook now to learn more about holistic health and how I use Greenify daily for optimal health. Use the link inside the book to get Greenify now. Please subscribe now to receive holistic health tips and encouragement weekly with a new video every Friday. I'm genuinely thrilled you're here. Let's absolutely enjoy the journey.